find something good out here. What do I mean by good? Well, lots of stuff is good. You know, I just noticed these pines here, which is odd because I haven't seen any pines here at all. Well, somebody's been through here for sure. I swear I hear something. I always get creeped out when I get into new areas. And I don't know what these are either. I see them a lot around here a lot. I have to get their name. But, there go. Okay, I'm pretty convinced there's someone out here. I can hear something. I don't know if this is a variant or what, but it's not the same as the other ones.